I see what you mean. Since it's in the shade, you can't tell how deep it is. Did you just come straight from here?
Yeah, you're good. You won't get any deeper than what I am right now.
Yeah, I see why you couldn't tell it. Oh, you got one? You got one, bro? Let's go. No way. Is it a smallie? Oh, it's a trout.
Dude, that's a 2-pounder.
That's a 2-pounder.
I don't know. We should probably get nets.
Bro, you got one. I got nets in my truck.
Hey, it's in the eyeball, I think. Hey, do you have a pliers you can get it out with?
I don't, but here, if you hold this, I'll get it for you.
I said I could. Hey, take it. Here it is.
Dude, let's go. That's sick.
That thing fought so well.
That is sick.
That thing fought. I knew it. I told you that.
Yeah, that current really takes you when you get in deeper. You got one? You need a net? Here, just pull it off. It's magnetic. Oh, that's a smallie. Smallie. Let's go, dude. I'm sitting here not paying attention real my. Dude. Smallmouth. Let's go.
Here's my rod. You want to hold that for me real quick?
That's your first smallmouth, isn't it? Let's go. I just had to follow. Oh, dude, one just took it on the surface. It missed it though. Dude, that was sick. Literally as soon as it hit the surface, he was popping it. I feel like there could be a fish by that.
Hey, I have moss. Yeah, this looks more like a snake territory.
Yeah, I bet we'll see how fast you can move in waders if we see a snake.
Yeah, I'd fall face first.
Oh!
Hey, there's a fish over there.
It's a bluegill. Or maybe, yeah, it's a bluegill. I thought it might be a rock bass.
Ooh, I don't know if I want to catch over there. Now we get ready to.
That was so sick, dude. Came up and grabbed it right in front of me. That's a smallie. Smallmouth. Guys, smallmouth. This is so sick. Guys, come up here. There's a sunken tree. That's what I caught him on. I guarantee there's more.
Yeah, we're trying to come. We're just really slow back. Okay, we're just waiting for you.
There he is, guys. Beautiful little fish. I'm gonna let him go. See, there's a sunken tree right up here. Cast it right over it and 2 cranks, and there he was. I just had one bite it as soon as it hit the water. Okay. Look at him. He's right by you. He's still right by you.